Somebody forgot to turn the lights off in Kentucky. Look at this. It's 9 o'clock at night. And the sky is still perfectly blue. And everything's got a weird orange tinge to it. I think I'm gonna go back inside now.
Today is June 30th and the current time is, what's the time?
9:15.
Current time is 9:15 p.m. I'm in Lawrenceburg, Kentucky, and the sun has already set at 9:06 p.m. But as you can see, there's something directly above me at the noon o'clock hour, and it's still very daylight out here. And this side looks completely like daytime, and that's usually where the sun sets.
It's 9:03 at night right now here in West Virginia, and it's complete daylight. Somebody in the Truman Show forgot to turn off the sun. This is weird.
This is crazy, bro. It's 11 o'clock and the sun still ain't go down. What the fuck?